So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you could go on to making up to $600 with CPA marketing and Amazon right here. So we're going to be blending these two platforms, which is Amazon and actually CPAGRIP, to go on to making money right now. And I would like you to watch this video right here to the end, because this is going to be an amazing strategy. Basically, all what we're going to be doing right here is to be giving out some product on Amazon at a discount and getting traffic to that our CPA marketing offers within the process, and also make money with CPA marketing. So all you need to do once you come onto Amazon.com is to come right here, click on all, and you can actually see a lot of categories of offers ranging from the electronics, computers, smart home, and a lot more other stuff. If you do click on see all, you'll be able to see more categories right here. So supposing I want to just simply focus on the pet supplies, I'm going to select that, and maybe I'm going to just simply focus on dog right now. And if I do focus on that, you'll be able to see a lot of products related to that particular dog niche right now. They are actually cool products right here, and you can see for some products they are actually having lots and lots of reviews. Take a look at this particular product right here, which is actually a bestseller. You can see right here that it actually has about 114,000 reviews right here, meaning that it has gone on to getting lots and lots of purchases. You can see right now this actually has about 84,000 reviews right now. This has 19,000 reviews, and that keeps on going on and on. So selecting a product that is actually having a 4-star rating or a very high review means that you are actually likely to get traffic to that particular product, because when somebody actually interested in this dog niche takes a look at that product, is likely to go on to purchasing that product, because a lot of people are also purchasing that particular product. So basically what you want to do right now is to just simply come right here and click on this particular stuff right here. You maybe want to just simply go into selecting the 3-star rating or a 4-star rating right now. So if I do select the 4-star rating, you'll be able to see a lot of bestseller products right here, or high rated products which you could go on to utilizing. You can see right now there are actually lots and lots of cool ones. So supposing I want to just simply go on to focusing on a product, so maybe I'm just going to focus on this particular product right here, which is the Wobble Wag, and it's actually for dogs. You can actually see more details about this product. I actually have about 90,000 ratings right here, or reviews on this particular platform. You can click on that and you'll be able to see lots of cool images which you can actually do from this product. This is a very cool one. Supposing I right click on this image, I can actually go on to saving this particular image on my device. So once I actually do that right here, as you can see, I'm just going to save the image on my device, and I'm going to do that for about 3 more images right here. So guys, once you've actually downloaded about 3 of these images or 4 of the images right now, you can actually go on to utilizing this right here. So basically what you want to do right now is to actually go on to copying the link address to this particular page right now, or this particular product right here, for them to go on to purchasing. Once you copy that guys, we're actually going to head onto our CPA marketing platform, which is CPAGRIP, for the purpose of today's video. And if you do go on to clicking on register, you can create an account. I'm just going to go on to login into my account right now. Once I actually do log into my account, like you can actually see right now, I'm going to come onto this section which says monetization tools, and actually select the URL file locker to get to this page. You want to click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you'll be taken to a page where you could go on to creating a simple URL file locker. What I'm going to do right now is to paste in that link in this locked URL section, and right now in this name section, I'm just going to go on to saving the name as something like Wobble Dog Ball. And if I change it to something like this, I'm going to go into the template and actually go into selecting a suitable template, which I'm just going to go into using. Maybe I'm going to use this download template right here. And once I actually do this right here, I can go into the general section, and this section which says begin download, I can actually edit that to something like get 50% off. And if I do this to something like this right now, as you can see, everything seems set. I can actually come right here, click on save, and my URL file locker right now has actually been created. Once this has been created, I can click on get link, and you can see the link to my URL file locker. I'm going to leave this page open because we're going to get back right here to this page. you want to head onto this particular platform called the Google site, and we're going to go on to creating a simple landing page. I'm going to come right here, click on this plus icon, and it's going to take me to a section where I can actually go on to creating a simple landing page. And right here, I'm just going to go on to deleting this particular section. I'm going to delete this entire stuff right now. So once that has been deleted, guys, I think I'm just going to head back to my URL file locker and actually do a little more editing right there to this particular locker. So for this right here, I'm just going to go on to add in an image, and you actually need a link to add an image right here. So for that right now, I'm just going to go on to utilizing that exact same image which we did get from Amazon. But if I actually do copy the link directly from this particular image and utilize that for this particular section, you will actually do find out that the image will look quite big for the entire page right now. So if I actually do come down to this section and click on refresh preview, you can actually do see the image looks quite too big, which is why I'm going to utilize this platform right here called resizeimage.net to help me reduce that size of the image. I'm going to come right here, click on upload, and upload that particular image which I'm going to use right now. As you can see, that image has actually been uploaded. So right now for this particular section right here, I'm actually going to go on to changing this aspect ratio to something like okay, this resize image section, I'm going to change this to something like 500 by 500. So once this has actually been changed right here, I can select the file that I want to use, and I can just simply click on resize image right now, and the image right here has actually been resized. I'm just going to click on download image, and the image right now will actually be downloaded on my device. So once the image has been downloaded, you can actually go onto platforms like Imgur to upload that particular image so that you can actually get a link to the image. So this is the newly downloaded image. I'm going to just simply select that right here and upload this on this particular platform. Right now, I'm just going to copy the link address to this particular image and go on to using that back on my CPA marketing URL file locker. If I come right here and actually paste in that link, click on submit right now, I can actually go to the bottom section and actually go on to clicking on refresh preview. And if I do click on refresh preview, so you can actually see how it looks like right here. So the image actually looks fit into this particular section. So this is quite cool right now, as we can actually go on to utilizing this to our preference right here. So once this is actually done, I'm going to click on save right now, and I'll actually get the link to my URL file locker. And right here you can see the link. I'm going to leave this page open, head back to my landing page, and right now guys, I'm also going to go on to inserting that particular image and the background of my landing page right here. So I'm going to come right here, click on upload, and actually upload an image right now on the background of my landing page. So guys, once that has actually been inserted, the next thing which you want to do is to add in a text box. And for that text box right here, I'm just going to head back to that particular product, and right here as you can see the product right now, this is it. I'm just going to copy this entire text right here, head back to my landing page, and actually paste in that right now. So once that has actually been pasted, I'm going to make all this text quite bold. I'm going to change the font size and the font type. So if I do change it to something like this, and the font size, maybe I can take that to, let me say 24, and you can actually see how it's going to look like right here. So next I'm going to come right here and add in this particular content block, which is actually for images. Once I add in something like this right now, I'm just going to go on to uploading those three out of those images which I actually did download right now. Maybe I'm just going to utilize this one right here, or that actually looks quite small for this section. So I'm going to just simply undo that and actually add in a different image. So I'm going to add this one right here. So you can actually see how this looks like right now. So once you have actually done this, we're going to move on to the next step. So take a look at this right now guys. I also added a text such as this right here which says limited time offer. And once you do add in something like this, also add in a text box right here, and in this text box, that's where we're actually going to be putting in the price of that particular product. And as you can see right here, the product actually goes for $14.97, and I'm just going to go on to inserting that particular price right there, which is $14.97. If I go onto my landing page right now, I'm just going to go on to adding that in this section. And guys, if I multiply this by 2, it's actually going to give me about $29.94. So if I do go on to inserting that 29.94 $94 right here. As you can see, this is going to look like. I'm just going to highlight this particular section, and I'm going to go on to changing this particular color to something like gray. And if I change that to something like that, I'm going to come right here and actually do go on to clicking on this particular three dot right now, and I'm going to click on this strike through. Once I put in something like that, I'm going to just simply go on to making this quite bold right now. If I do make this bold, I can actually change that particular color to something like red, so that it will be actually much more visible. And I'm going to just simply centralize this right now to the center, and I'm also going to go on to increasing the font size to this particular one right here, making that something like 18 or 24. I'm just going to increase that to something like 24 right now. So you can actually do see how it looks like right now. This is actually indicating the current price, and this was actually the previous price, because we told them we're actually going to be giving them 50% off. So once this has actually been done, all you need to do right now is to actually link all these sections to your URL file locker. So I'm going to come right here and actually do highlight each and every one of these text. I'm going to click on insert link, and I'm going to just simply go back to my URL file locker, copy the link, and actually do head back to this particular page, paste in that link, click on apply. I'm going to do similar thing right here for this particular section. So once I do paste in that particular link right now, click on apply, you can actually do see how it's going to look like. I'm going to do similar thing right here for this and also those images right now. So once all this has actually been done, all you need to do is to come right here, click on publish, and actually select a name for this particular domain. So you can see this name right here is actually available. I'm going to click on publish right now, and that will actually be published right there. So next, you want to just simply copy the link to this particular landing page and try as much as possible to get traffic to this page. And we're going to be utilizing platforms like Facebook to actually go onto dog related groups, or groups that are actually interested in getting or loving dogs right now. And if you do head on to such groups, supposing you do go on to clicking on one of these groups right now, I can actually do go on to opening that group right here. Once this group has actually been opened, what you need to do right now is you just simply come right here and actually write a simple text right now, or a simple post. So once I actually do type in something like this, which says, can someone please recommend me a good wobble ball for my dog, and actually post that on this particular platform, that is actually going to go through the admin. And once the admin actually accepts this right now, you then want to just simply go on to posting another post right there, telling them that, so you want to just simply write a post such as this, which says, I just found a good deal here for $50 off and I'm excited. And if you put in something like this right now, after this post has actually been published right now on this particular platform, and people go on to giving you some recommendation, you can actually do go on to putting in a post such as this later on, telling them you found a good deal and for 50% off, and you want to link that to your landing page right there. And doing this right here, you can actually go on to getting a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And the cool thing about this right here is that you can actually do go on to doing this on many other dog related groups right here, or pet related groups on this particular platform right here called Facebook. As you can actually do see, there are lots and lots of groups you can take advantage of. So why not just simply go on to trying this out right now and utilizing this to go on to getting lots and lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offer. So if this video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.